Welcome back to my channel, everyone. It's Dooney at 615. I'm doing a quick video follow-up from my reveal of the Pitch Perfect Medallion Wristlet from Spade. As I shared during my live on Sunday, I am in love with this piece. The only drawback for me is that the interior has a black lining. So I started going through my stash to figure out what I could do to help lighten it up. And I remembered that I have these little bag organizers. I picked these up from Amazon. I'll try to remember to link them down below in my Amazon store. But it is a little red liner, and it has 2 slip pockets and then the opening. The bag also has 6 card slots. So I wanted to see if it was going to fit, and it fit perfectly into the wristlet. So now, not only do I have the slip pocket that comes in the wall, in the back wall, which has the card slots there, but now I have a little bit brighter lining and some additional organization. Phone will still fit, all of that stuff. And I have, the ability to organize a little bit more. Or for things like maybe a lip gloss or a lippy, I can throw it in there, and if something bad happens, then it won't mess up the inside of my wristlet. It will only be the liner, and I can throw this in the wash. So yet another win for this purchase from Amazon. Let me know what you think. I know red is not everyone's jam. It is my favorite color. So anytime I can brighten up the interior of a black lined bag with a red or any other color that's going to keep it from turning into a black hole, I am all game for it. So let me know what you think about using the insert inside the organizer to brighten it up and to expand the organization. There we have it. Be sure to thumbs up. Thanks for watching.